So for round 20, we will do single crochet 4, and then we will do our invisible decrease. We'll repeat this pattern 6 times and end up with a total of 30 stitches. So the same thing we were doing last time, but this time we're only going to do 4 single crochets before our invisible decrease. So 1, move to the next, 2, 3, 4. Now we do our invisible decrease. Up through the one, down through the next, grab the yarn, pull it through the first 2. Oh, I made these really tight so it's hard to get it through. Grab it and pull it through again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Time for our invisible decrease. Up through that one, down through that one, grab the yarn, pull it through the 2, grab and pull it through the final 2. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Time for the invisible decrease. Up, down, around and through, around and through. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Invisible decrease. Up, down, grab it, pull it through, grab it, pull it through. And 1. We're flying now. 2. 3, 4. Up, down, grab, pull through, grab, pull through, single crochet 1, 2, 3, and 4. Time for our final invisible decrease. We have reached our pin marker. So up through that stitch, down through that one, grab it, pull it through, grab it, pull it through. And we are at the end of round 20. I'll put my marker back in. And that's it for the 20th round.